Hi, this is Mrs. Sontner, and today I want to talk to you about all of the great resources our library has to offer that you can access from home. So the first thing I need you to do is log into your portal. Once you log into your portal, you're going to come down here where it says Fall at Destiny, and you're going to click this. Now, once you get into this, you're going to notice at the top there's a place for you to log in. I want you to click this and log in using your Clear Creek single sign-on. This is a very, very important step because this ensures that you have access to all of the resources our library has available to you from your house. Once you pull this up, you're going to notice your name's up here. This shows that you're logged in. So you're going to click Catalog, and then you're going to come over here and click Destiny Discover. And Destiny Discover is going to take you to a home page for our library. And it's going to show you some things that are happening in our library. I've got some recently added books, some popular titles, and it even shows me if they're checked in or out, like this Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Last Straw. If you notice here, there's a little red mark here, and it's showing that book's checked out right now. It's showing some ebooks that I could click on now and download to my device and start reading here at home. Some Lightbox books, some audio books, all kinds of resources there for me. So let's say I'm doing a research paper on elephants. So I'm going to type elephants into my search bar up here. And this is going to pull up all the resources our library has on elephants. Look here, it's showing me some books that are available, some ebooks, and some databases. What I really want to look at today are the databases. And I want to show you a really fantastic database that can help you research elephants. And it is called PebbleGo. And this is one of my favorite databases for elementary school. So I want you to click PebbleGo. And here it says African elephants and Asian elephants. So I'm going to click on the one that says African elephants. And it's going to pull up the page in PebbleGo. Now the thing I really like about PebbleGo is it's pretty easy to read, and it's also divided up into body, habitat, food, life cycle, fun facts, and then related articles. So when I click each one, it'll tell me, like this one tells me about where elephants live. This one tells me about where they eat. And if I'm looking at it and it's too hard for me to read, I can click this little speaker over here.
Every day, elephants eat more than 200 pounds, 91 kilograms of food.
And it'll read it for me. So that's another thing I really like about PebbleGo. I can also click over here, and it's going to show me some articles that are in PebbleGo that are
about mammals
that might help me with my search. And I've got down here where I can click a video, and it's going to show me, when it loads up, it's going to show me a video about elephants that I can watch. I can also come down here and where it says listen, and I can listen to what an elephant sounds like. So if I click play, there's a globe down here. If I click that, it's going to show me where the elephants live, and this is where African elephants can be found, in Africa. So I just wanted to share PebbleGo with you today and show you this great resource that's available for you that you can access from home. So be sure and check this out and try this from your house and see all the great things our library has to offer you from home. You can even place holds on books from home, and that item will be waiting for you at school. So go on and log into your portal and check out our library resources from your house. See you in the library. Bye.